What is up, guys? Welcome to the Family Print Project vlog. We are starting off with some great news. We just filed our taxes and we did everything correctly. We will get into more details about that on how we did it with that later. But we didn't have to owe taxes because we did keep everything that we purchased for the business, and we had the receipts for all of that. But we did all that, and now we don't have to worry about that anymore. But we did get some knowledge on some things that we were unsure of, how to do it better and to pay every quarter, so it at the end of the year, if we paid too much in taxes, we can get a bigger return, or the money that we overpaid in taxes back to us at the end of the year. That's something we're going to probably do and get done. And then we're ready to start getting everything ready for tomorrow's market. Like I said, we ended up getting a return this time around. We were really thinking we were going to owe a bunch, which we're really fortunate we did not. So looking forward to that and getting things done for tomorrow in preparation of the market. All right, I just got finished filming a ton of content for a lot of my other channels. Link is in the description box below, but I wanted to let all my viewers know here on the 3D printing channel, we are actually starting daily vlogging on the vlog channel, of everything that we do on a daily basis. So if you guys enjoy that type of content, go check out Rockmanda's vlogs. We come out with videos every single day now. We've been posting for 4 days straight, regardless of the length, working on that, and then still providing content here for you guys when it comes to 3D printing. But want to expand, want to explore, want to do a lot of things and cover a lot of ground and do something that no other content creator has done, and that's do multiple avenues on their own. Lots to do. If you guys want to see exactly what that is, it's linked in the description box below. I also forgot to mention, it's currently 2 o'clock in the morning. We have a market at like 9 tomorrow. I am going to be extremely tired tomorrow, but we got to rock and roll. We got to grind. We got things to do. We got plans to execute. So let's get it done. All right, so we are officially heading out of here. Get ready for today's market with us. We have things to get into and things to set up. And I've got everything that I need, I believe. Yeah, I think I do. Tripod, things like that. Amanda's gonna go drop the kids off at her sister's place. I'm gonna eat what I have from leftovers from last night right now, so there's no temptation. I will be picking up a drink though, because we didn't have any water bottles or anything water container ready, and it's already 11. Given they said today we can come at whatever time between the hours of 10 to 10. So we're going in at about 11, like it's exactly 11 o'clock right now. It's the latest we've ever gone to this one. Usually we're set up by 9 a.m. So let's get into today. We got our drinks to start us off with the day. 2 energy drinks from Sonic and 2 drinks to last us all day, so we can save money. If you order with the Sonic app, you actually save half off on drinks. So be mindful of that. And because it is for work, this is all tax write-offable. Keep that in mind. When you're doing like an 8-hour shift, it's tax write-offable. So let's get this car unpacked and get our day actually started. All right, so we are officially all set up. We have completely revamped the setup for this time. We're also in a brand new spot here and set up a little bit differently. All right, we officially got our first sale for the day. It's currently 107, so we really do appreciate it when we do get our first sale of the day. And it was for a sunflower dragon, but it was the brown and yellow rather than the yellow and brown. P.S. When we do these markets, if you guys ever want to see where we're at, follow us on Instagram, because maybe we'll end up running into one of you guys at some point. So, and we're going to be doing stuff out of state as well at some point as well in due time. But the best way to find out where we're at is on Instagram. Also, we made a couple more sales, which is good. Progressing throughout the day. I will be leaving here in the next hour to go take the dogs out and get some things from home. All right, so we're here at the market still. We have about 3.5 hours left, give or take. Making some small sales here and there, little pops. So it's been good. It's been progressing. We've had some of the other vendors start to slowly leave for the day, but we're informing people of our plans of what we're doing for our weekend markets where we're going to be at. So we had another little pop at the end of that conversation I was trying to tell y'all, but we have about 3-ish hours left, and we're still making some good sales. Slowly but surely adding more and more. By the way, it started raining outside. I'm talking because there's an extreme amount of people, and now I'm a little tiny bit uncomfortable with vlogging, but I'll let you guys take a look around real quick. All right, we are wrapping things up right now. I just picked up the kids. Now we're gonna help Amanda pack everything up. And we didn't make any sales while I went to go pick up the kids, but that's okay. We tried to do, additional. But Amanda, we're gonna have to go that way. That way. Because there's people lined up all right there. Yeah. And it's raining again. So.
Did you put your car right there?
My car's right there.
So we're just gonna pack your car?
No, we're gonna pack your car, but we're just gonna bring it to the back door there, and I'll just start bringing the stuff to the car. But here comes the time lapse. We finished packing up. We're heading to Walmart. We got to get some more supplies for 3D printing. We're going to use the sales we made today to replenish what we need right now. Get in the cart. Get in the cart with your sister. All right, guys. So we made exactly $300 today on the market. Really good market. It is our first market of the year where we've hit over $300. We've hit over $300 in 2025. Our next goal is to hit over $500. Let's see when it takes us, how long it's going to take us to get that, and when it's going to be at what market, what we're doing, or if it's online sales, whatever we decide to do, however we do it on a specific day. Let's see how long it takes to break that. But right now, we did make $300 today, which we're really, really happy for. I was just happy that we were going to hit 200, but we ended up hitting 300. So we overachieved today. Really good success. And we'll catch you on the next Family Print Project vlog. Bye, guys.